Welcome to MTV Cribs!
Jungle Treehouse Edition.
First stop is our garage here, where we leave our harnesses and our shoes at the door. Sick rides.
Right, follow me to the best view of the house. Right here. Look at this. If you look here, we've added a squatty potty for maximum flow and efficiency in your bathroom experience as you view the beautiful wildlife.
Follow me into the kitchen, where we have a bountiful array of food and a bountiful array of tree rats.
So I know everyone's first question on Cribs is always, what's in the fridge?
Well,
Here we go.
we have apples, dried mac and cheese, and instant coffee. All a growing jungle boy needs.
We're not children anymore, so we don't have mom and dad to tell us to make the bed. Nice darkness curtain and keeping out all those mosquitoes for the malaria. And we have beautiful views here.
Just soak it in.
Here's our guest bedroom for one. As you see, we've had guests.
And finally, the penthouse suite.
And as you know, we're kind of party animals, so yeah, we have a lot more guests in our penthouse suite.
And they're just as messy.
Thanks for hanging out with us.